Hi friends, welcome to Blooming Beats. Today we are going to Air and Space Museum in Virginia. We are living in Maryland, Bethesda, and it took us 45 minutes to get to the museum. We saw a lot of airplanes since Dallas Airport is 7 minutes away. The museum is 10 minutes away from Washington, D.C. There's no entry fee, there's just parking fee. So it's like $15 per vehicle. Parking is not a concern because there are a lot of parking lots. Now we are going inside the museum. It's so beautiful, like there are a lot of buildings and they're really gorgeous. This Smithsonian's Air and Space Museum have the world's largest and most significant collection of aviations and artifacts. More than 8 million people visit the museum every year. The first thing I noticed was that there were a lot of airplanes. Like you can see some, I don't know how they're like staring in the air. Probably like with like a strong string or something. Anyway, it looks cool that it looks like it's flying or something. And some are on the ground. This is a quick preview of the airplanes that I'm going to show. Not just airplanes, some are jets and some are also helicopters. A lot of them are really big, some are like special things, so I'll get to that in a moment. There are options to watch 3D shows about space, but we need to buy separate tickets.
This screen is for you can choose an aeroplane which you can see in the side and look inside of the airplane.
This is Boeing Vertol C9. It was used in every major American military and dozens of small operations. Blackbird is the world's fastest jet-propelled aircraft. See the unique shape of this aircraft. I think it helps it go fast. It set a speed record by flying from Los Angeles to Washington, D.C. in 1 hour and 4 minutes. In the museum, there are a few displays of spacesuits and flight suits.
This orange suit is for the pilot of Blackbird. These are all the engines for the aircrafts.
Bristol Jupiter was Great Britain's most successful high-powered and most air-cooled engine in 1920s. Pratt & Whitney was the most complicated piston engine in the United States. Listen, what are these?
These are all the aircraft miniatures.
Yeah, these are all the miniature model of these aircrafts, and there are some medals, and there are also wooden models. This is US Navy Blue Angel FA-18C, all-weather multi-role Navy jet. It can perform in both fighter and attack role. It flew over Iraq as well as Afghanistan as part of the global war on terror in response to the 9/11 incident. Grumman Tomcat was a supersonic deck-launched variable sweep-wing fighter. What Crusader was first flown in 1955. It went 1,000 miles per hour. This Lockheed shooting star used by the US Air Force, its body has highly polished natural metal finish, so it's never been painted. Sikorsky was the Marine Corps' primary medical evacuation helicopter. It could accommodate 2 casualties and 1 attendant.
These all are aircraft machine guns.